Hello beautiful families, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to get rid of melasma. If you have acne, hyperpigmentation, melasma, and you've been suffering from it for a long time now, this video is for you. Keep on watching. Okay, like I always said, drop your comment in the comment section. If you have any question, go ahead and ask me. I will definitely reply you and I will know what to recommend for you. Like this sister said, comment on my video, say, beautiful lady, you're too much glowing made me to subscribe. God bless you and your handwork. I have a very minor melasma, sensitive skin, and prone to redness, fair in complexion. Please, which of the cream should I get? We appreciate your quick response. Alright, this video is all about this, our lovely sister. Sister, don't worry, okay? I got you. I'm with you, alright? So today I'm going to recommend something very special for you and as well for all my subscribers who also have hyperpigmentation or melasma as well. Or if you have acne, also this is going to help you as well. So let's just get started. Let's dive into it. Okay, so having melasma on your skin or your face, it's a very difficult skin condition. We all know that before we can get rid of it, it's very difficult. So, but in today's video, I'm going to share with you what you can get and start taking care of it, and it's going to remove the appearance or reduce the appearance of it. I promise you, okay? So, all you have to do is to make sure that you watch this video to the end so that you will benefit from it. And as well, you need sunscreen, okay? I will recommend you this sunscreen as well. So first on the list is going to be anti-melasma. This cream is good. If you get this, it's going to help you reduce the appearance and they get rid of it if consistency, alright? So next is going to be the tranexamic acid, okay? This is also one of the best that you can use to get rid of melasma or hyperpigmentation, okay? So all you have to do is to make sure you get one of these and use it. Be consistency, okay? You're going to get your skin back. So next on the list is going to be Kojivet, okay? This cream is also great for removing hyperpigmentation and melasma as well. So all you have to do is to go and get one of these, my love, and start using because it's going to help you get back your beautiful skin, okay? All you have to do is to be consistency, alright? So next on the list is going to be S-Pigment, okay? This cream is amazing. You can use this once every day. Make sure you use it at night, okay? So consistency, let me say, using it daily, every evening or every night, you're going to get your beautiful skin back. I promise you, okay? So we're just going to get the next on the list, which is topic cream, okay? You can go ahead and get one of this cream. It's going to give you that radiant and beautiful skin. Alright? All you have to do is to make sure you use it 2 times in a day. Okay? Make sure you are always applying your sunscreen. It's very useful, okay? If you have melasma and you want to get rid of it, all you have to do is to make sure you get your sunscreen because sunscreen is very good. It's going to help you eliminate those unwanted uneven skin tone and give you that smooth and glowing skin. As well, it's going to help you a lot get rid of all this problem that you're facing, including dark spot, hyperpigmentation, scars, acne scars as well, okay? So all you have to do is to make sure you get one of these creams that I share with you. Keep on washing because I'm going to recommend you a very great sunscreen for this melasma of a thing, okay? If you watched to this point, thank you so much for watching, and God bless you. Don't forget to like this video. Please like, comment below. Any skin issue that you're facing and you want to get rid of, you can comment. I will definitely reply to you or make a video to explain more about it to you, okay? So, we're going to be talking about this amazing sunscreen. If you have pigmentation, melasma, acne scars, and all that, I highly recommend you this sunscreen. Or you can go ahead and get any sunscreen with SPF 50, okay? It's fine, okay? But I highly recommend this sunscreen, which is this on the screen. Alright, go ahead and get one of those creams and make sure that you get this sunscreen as well, or you get any sunscreen of your choice. Okay, you're going to love your skin. I promise you that. Okay, so that is all for today's video, and sorry for revoicing this or re-recording this video because I made a video. Okay, I made the video, but it was so noisy. That's why we record or a voice over. Alright, so thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Stay blessed, stay healthy. God bless you, and bye for now.